Hey, we're over here at the Barbecue Lab, and today we're going to unbox the American Renaissance Grill 42-inch gas grill, and we're going to go ahead and show you what's in the box and what it takes to get this thing ready to install in your outdoor kitchen. All right, I got Jordan from Smokin' Pasture helping me out today, so we're going to go ahead and lift off the top of the box. This is step one. All the packing materials can go ahead and go off to the side, and we're going to go ahead and spin this around so you can see this from the front. So we have the grill facing the camera. Everything looks like it's done well in transition, in shipping. I want to go ahead and get some of this covering off, but we first have to get the cellophane off. And you'll notice on the bottom that this grill is actually screwed into the pallet for the safe trip here. So we're going to go ahead and get the cellophane off and show you what's underneath. All right, looks like it did great in shipping. Go ahead and open it up and show you what we're looking at here. There's a box on the top of some of our parts that we need to get into. We also have some nice plastic and styrofoam that's kept it really safe in transit. So let's get this box out and go ahead and finish the assembly of this grill. All right, inside the box, we've got the owner's manual and we've got an Allen wrench to be able to help us make some changes with the grill, as well as the light transformer assembly. This is going to make it so you can plug in your lights and have that active on the grill. And there's instructions on what to do with this transformer when you get it out. Next step, we're just going to go ahead and take off this extra packaging material. So we need to go ahead and take the grill grates out and we can get out all of this extra packaging. So we have all of the packaging out of it. We have the grill grates out. We've gotten them out of their protective packaging. Now, something to consider when you're getting ready to lift this grill up is, do you want these heavy grates back in the grill when you move this thing? These things are incredibly thick, incredibly robust. This is adding many, many more pounds to the grill. So the question is, do you want those in there when you move it? I personally do not. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take the grates out. I'm also gonna take the charcoal briquette trays out as well to lighten the load so we can load this into the cart, or even if you're loading it into that outdoor kitchen that you're getting ready to build, my suggestion is lighten the load before you lift. One of the last steps before we actually put it in the cart or in the outdoor kitchen is to go ahead and unscrew it from the pallet. Just need a screwdriver, take these screws out. That's the last step before we're ready to move it. We have the ARG cart right here behind the ARG 42-inch grill. If you want to see more about the unboxing and building of this cart, it's in another video on the channel, so go check that out. But right now, we're going to go ahead and put the 42-inch grill into the cart and show you what that process looks like. It should be as easy as lifting it and sliding it into the cart, making sure that you don't pinch any of the cables that are on the back. These are the cables that we're working with. You can see that we have the natural gas or the propane cable, as well as the lighting cable. So you want to make sure that you keep those away from pinch points. So we're going to go ahead and lift it in. It takes definitely two people. Here's how it goes. And that's it. All that you need to be able to get it in the grill. Another person on the other side, and it slides in really easy. So that is the unboxing of the American Renaissance Grill 42-inch. And I gotta say, it was really, really easy because so much of it is already done for you. All you really have to do is lift it up and put it wherever you want it to go. If you want to find out more, go ahead and check it out at rcsgasgrills.com, and we will see you on the next one.